Now number 9. Although I hope to blank my tennis skills while away at summer camp, I refuse to blank more than an hour a day to athletic pursuits. So we have our contrast trigger, although. So if we read on, this is actually our first flying blind question. So we can go either way. Although I hope to improve my tennis skills while away at summer camp, or although I hope to kind of keep them at the same level. Now, if we're thinking of which one is more likely, while you're away at summer camp, you're most likely going to want to improve your tennis skills. So we're going to go with improve here, because it doesn't really make sense to want to not improve in any sort of athletic pursuit. So if that is improve, now we can read the sentence to see what kind of word we need, knowing that this is a contrast sentence. So although I hope to improve my tennis skills while away at summer camp, I refuse to blank more than an hour a day to athletic pursuits. So that's probably something along the lines of commit. So she refuses to commit more than an hour, even though she does want to improve. So moving right along, we go down the line and we start with the second answer choice, drive. So I refuse to drive more than an hour a day to athletic pursuits. That could work, but drive is implying that she has to drive. We're really looking more for commit or devote. So that doesn't really fit here. Dedicate. So I refuse to dedicate more than an hour. That's exactly the same meaning as commit. So that gets a big check. Then you get spend. So I refuse to spend more than an hour a day. That makes sense. Then you have squander. I refuse to squander more than an hour a day. So if you're squandering, that means to waste. So are you going to waste an hour a day if you're improving? No. So we cross that one out. So, forgot to check there. So now we move on to the first blank. So looking at letter B, we have bolster. You might not know what bolster is, so you can leave it in as a mystery. Once again, it's a very, very good SAT word to know. C is denigrate. That would probably be a mystery as well. And obliterate. Obliterate means to totally ruin. So we're not ruining our tennis skills. So that is out. So you're down to 2. And if we look at the roots of those 2 words, bolster kind of sounds like boost, which would go along nicely with improve. And B is actually our answer. Denigrate, the prefix den always means something negative. So if we're trying to improve, den is the exact opposite of the prefix that we want. So we get rid of that.